Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty of Allah. Today we will learn the new topic in the art and craft book, that is watercolor painting and paper printing. Watercolor painting and paper printing. But before we start with this topic, watercolor painting and paper printing, you have to recite the dua, that is Rabbi Zidilma, Rabbi Zidilma, Rabbi Zidilma. After this, art and craft. Okay, bottle cap printing. Dip the bottle cap in a poster color and paste the cap and paste on the cap and color the inside. What you have to do, you have to take a bottle, you have to take a Bisleri bottle cap it is na, you have to take the cap and dip the watercolor and paste it here, whichever colors you like. You can watch the videos also, okay, how teacher has been done, and you can watch the activity of cotton wool collage. Now there's another activity, that is bottle cap printing. That's a bottle cap printing. Look at this, it is on page number 25. It is on page number 25. Dip the bottle cap in a poster colors and print on the page and color the inside. Okay, what you have to do, you have to take any watercolor, like when you take a Bisleri bottle, in the Bisleri bottle the cap it is there now, you have to take that cap. Okay, hence buy one Bisleri water bottle and take one cap of the green color and this, and what you have to do, you have to take any colors, okay, any poster colors like red, blue, green, whichever color that kids like, that colors you have to take, and I will show you how to do this. That colors you have to take, and you have to dip that cap in this water and print it out in this way. Okay, it's a water cap printing. Now let me show you how to do this. Okay, you have to take any watercolor, okay, any watercolor, and put this, whichever color I like to do with the red color, put a red color. Parents, please help your kids. Take a small bits of red color and apply some water on it and make a paste, and then what you have to take, you have to take a bottle cap or Bisleri water, whatever it is, and dip in this watercolor. Okay, make a round shape and make a dip in the watercolor and apply here on it. See, in this way they have to do the gear also. Only have to make a colors, parents, and make your kids to do with this bottle cap. It's a thumb, like, see, if you like a green color you can make a green color. If you like a black color you can use a black color. If you like a green color, violet color, you can use a violet color, any colors. Okay, in this way they have to do the water cap. See how it looking so nice and beautiful. Okay, students, the kids will enjoy and do this activity. It's a water cap activity. Now you can also watch my videos of the bottle cap printing, in which the kids is doing with the cap. Okay, now there is a homework. It is an activity homework. You have it page number 25. You have to do with your parents. Okay, parents, once again I will advise you what you have to do. You have to make the colors, whatever the color that kid likes, you take that colors and apply some water on that color, and tell the kids to take the bottle cap and dip on that color and make a thumb on this. So it's a bottle cap printing. Now this is of paper printing. Crumble the ball of paper. What you have to do, you have to take up any type of a newspaper, or you can take any type of a plain paper. You have to crumble the ball. You have to make like a ball and dip into different posters colors. Dip into different posters colors. Okay, you have to make a ball. You can watch the video how teacher has been done you have to take a ball, crumble the ball and make a dip color like whichever colors you like. But here it hasn't given tree. So in the tree, which color it will come? It will come green color. It will come green color. So you have to take a green color, okay? Parents, please help your kids while making the color and make the kids to do by own itself only, because if they will do, they will enjoy very much. So you have to take the green color and dip it here and tap it like this, okay? You can also watch the videos also. There is another activity that is paper printing, okay? There is another activity, paper printing. Crumple the ball of paper and dip them into different poster colors, print on the tree. What you have to do, you have to take a small paper and you have to crumble. Let me show you how to crumble. Take the small paper and crumble in this way, okay, like a small balls, okay. Then with this small ball, and what you have to do, you have to dip into this colors. Parents, what you have to do, you have to make the colors, okay. Now it's a tree. In the tree, what we have to do the color? Here it has been given green color. So in the tree, you have to green color and dip into the water. Make the colors, okay. You have to take the green poster colors, watercolor, and apply some water on that green color and make the kids to dip on this green color, and you have to tap in this way, okay. Number lighting, tap in this way, okay. Now see, look at this. In this way you have, in this way the kids will tap this green color. Okay, in this way they have to do the paper crumbling. Okay, crumple the balls and dip them into different poster colors and palm on the tree. You have to crumble this ball and apply green color and slightly you have to dip on this tree. Okay, see, it looks so nice and beautiful. Okay, this way you, you have to in this way you have to do the paper printing. Okay, you have to take the green color and you have to crumble the ball, crumble the papers and make a ball and dip into the watercolor, and you have to print with this. Make a kids to do it. Only what you have to do, you have to do the color. Parents, please help to make the colors with colors, green color in the water, and tell the kids to take a small piece of a paper and crumble like a ball, and tell them to dip into the watercolor and thumb on this tree. Now this is the activity. You have to do the homework of the activity that is on page number 17. Okay, and you can also watch the video of this.
This, we'll just take any paper, we'll just crumple it like this properly. Give the child will crumble. Child will only crumple it, and then where the side that you see there are many crimples, no? That side should be, usually one side comes little plain and the other side will come little crumply. So see if both the sides are crumply. Fine. The paint and do the dip tap activity. Alright, on top of it. Okay, you can put 1 and 2 slant lines and done. This much your child can easily dab. Okay, like that. Just go on dabbing. Okay, see, it gives you a nice texture. So usually kids do a lot of dipping. Try to tell them not to dip a lot. If you dip a lot, you'll not get good texture like this. Okay, so as the color reduces, no, you get, if you have a chart paper, you can give that, so they'll enjoy this activity nicely. Yeah, now once this is done, we'll have to put apples in this. Okay, red fingerprinting, apples. Okay, dip tip, tap, like that you'll tell your child to do. They'll keep doing dip, tap, tap. Alright? Pretty? Red and green looks nice. Now we'll go ahead with the brown bark of the tree. Okay? So take the brown color, tell your child to take the brown color. So this is our cherry tree.
Do the homework in art and craft book, page number 17 and 25. What you have to do, you have to do the homework in art and craft book, page number 17 and 25 with the help of your parents. Now, Jazakumullah khair, Allah Hafiz, love you too, take care, hope you enjoyed this session.